Welcome to Newell World Studio, where we explore the intersection of technology and, everyday life. I'm Anderson.
And I'm Jen. And today we are settling a debate that could save you thousands of dollars. We ran an experiment. AI versus a human financial advisor.
That's right. So 1 year ago, we each took an identical starting investment, $50,000.
Right.
And I entrusted mine to a highly recommended human financial advisor. We'll call him Mark.
And I handed my $50,000 over to the machines, a pretty well-known AI robo-advisor. We didn't touch the accounts for 1 year. And the results are in. Anderson, do you want to do the honors?
I'm almost afraid to. All right, so after 1 year, my account with Mark, the human, is valued at $54,250.
Wow.
A respectable 8.5% return.
Not bad at all. But the moment of truth. My robo-advisor account, it's currently sitting at $55,100.
Oh, wow.
That's an extra $850 in my pocket. In the battle of man versus machine, the machine took home the trophy.
It's a bit humbling, I have to admit, but the fascinating part isn't that the AI won.
Right.
It's how. It wasn't because the AI is some kind of super genius that outsmarted the market.
No, not at all.
Jen, you want to reveal the first secret ingredient?
Absolutely. Okay, the biggest, most straightforward reason is fees.
Ah, of course.
It's not glamorous, but it is so powerful. Anderson, what was the price for Mark's human wisdom?
So Mark charges a standard 1% fee on the assets he manages.
Okay.
Which means for my $50,000, that's a $500 fee for the year. It feels like a lot when you say it out loud.
It is. Now compare that to my robo-advisor. Its management fee is just 0.25%. So on the same $50,000, I paid only $125. That's a $375 difference right off the bat.
Wow.
Money that stayed invested and just kept working for me instead of going into someone else's pocket.
That alone is a huge deal, but that doesn't account for the full $850 difference.
No.
So what else was the AI doing that my human advisor wasn't?
Okay, so this is where the AI's efficiency really shines. It's a strategy called tax loss harvesting. Basically, the algorithm is constantly scanning my portfolio. If one of my investments dips, the AI can sell it at a loss. And then it uses that loss to cancel out taxes I would have owed on other gains. And it's all done automatically in like milliseconds.
And that's a crucial point. My advisor, Mark, he can do that too, but it's this manual process he might only do, say, once a year.
Exactly.
The AI does it for everyone, all the time, without getting tired or forgetting. That's where the other couple $100 of difference likely came from.
Exactly. The AI is just relentless in its efficiency. But let's be fair.
Yeah.
Your experience was totally different from mine, right? All I got from my robo-advisor were emails and app notifications. You got an actual human being.
I did, and that's a value that's really hard to quantify. When the market had that scary drop 6 months ago, my phone rang.
Oh yeah?
It was Mark. He walked me through why it was happening, and more importantly, he convinced me to stick to our long-term plan and not panic sell. He was a behavioral coach. What did your robot tell you?
I got a push notification that said, market fluctuations are a normal part of long-term investing. Which, it was correct, but not exactly comforting.
No.
Now, if I were a more nervous investor, that human reassurance could have been the difference between staying invested and losing thousands by selling at the bottom.
That's the core of it, isn't it? The human value isn't trying to beat the market. It's managing your behavior. Mark also helped me analyze my company's complicated stock options and my 401k.
Right, things the robo can't touch.
Exactly. It's a holistic, big picture service.
So, okay, let's break down the practical advice for our listeners. Who should use a robo-advisor?
Okay, so based on our experiment, a robo-advisor seems perfect for someone with a pretty straightforward financial life. If you're just starting out, you want to invest regularly, and you're really focused on keeping costs as low as possible,
Yeah.
it's an incredible tool. You get a diversified portfolio for a fraction of the cost.
And who should stick with a human?
Well, if your financial life is complex, like you own a business, have a large inheritance, deal with tricky tax situations, or if you just know you need that personal guidance to keep you from making emotional mistakes,
Yeah, that hand-holding.
the higher fee for a human can be well worth it. It's an investment in peace of mind.
And thankfully, it's not always an either-or choice anymore. A lot of services now offer these hybrid models. You get the low-cost efficiency of a robo-advisor with the option to talk to a human planner when you need to. It's truly the best of both worlds.
So while Jen's robot technically won by saving her more money this year,
One in air quotes.
the right choice really depends on your own financial needs and your personality.
Which leads us to our final question for you, our listeners. Now that you know the hidden costs and benefits of both, take a look at your own investment strategy.
Are you paying for a service you don't truly need? Or are you missing out on guidance that could be priceless?